Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 142 Pinnacle Road, Pittsford, New York.
This is an amazing historic property updated to perfection on nearly an acre in a private nature setting. So let's take a tour. Step into history with this beautiful foyer with slate floors.
This beautiful property has traditional character and charm with exceptional size. Featuring an expansive eat-in kitchen with custom pine cabinetry, a breakfast bar, and a window seat. Leading to a dining room with a beam ceiling, built-ins, and beautiful wood floors. Open to a classic living area with crown molding, a sitting nook, and a gorgeous fireplace as the focal point. The first floor also features a spacious family room with built-ins, porch and patio access, plus an adjacent powder room.
The upstairs features 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including this expansive master suite with an updated bathroom, beautiful pine floors, and a picture window with scenic views. All with a second floor laundry, leading to a third floor bonus room for great additional living space. This historic circa 1860 home is situated on a hilltop setting with great architectural detailing.
This nearly 1 acre property has exquisite landscaping with an expansive patio and covered porch to enjoy the private nature setting. This property is conveniently located to great restaurants and shops, the University of Rochester, RIT, Brighton, and the Village of Pittsford.
Here we are in Schoen Place in the Village of Pittsford.
This charming community offers great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 142 Pinnacle Road, Pittsford, New York.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!